Alright, here's a 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe. As you can see, riding on American Racing style chrome wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Now this car has had a repaint in red. I believe according to the data tag this was a lime gold car. Original 200 cubic inch inline 6. Still underneath the hood. That's paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. As you can see, the paint has a nice shine to it, nice luster. Not a real high-end paint job, but will do for a car that you want to drive, have a little fun with. Take to your local cruising and shows. Now, if you want to check out the pictures, so you can see the underside of this, the interior, engine bay, trunk, all the pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see those pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This car does have AC on it. AC does blow cold. Played around the interior a little bit. Wipers do work. Now you can see up and down the side of this, not full of dings or nicks or scratches. Car appears to be straight. Black vinyl interior, buckets up front, shifter on the floor. As you can see, there's the AC unit. Aftermarket stereo does power up. I did not have reception in the building here, so I can't guarantee as far as the reception, but it does power up. Some 6x9s in the back deck. Other than that, the stock, your dash looks pretty much stock. Aftermarket steering wheel. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So feel free to ask your sales consultant when you email or give us a call. Once again, call 507-386-1726. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Chrome, bright work. Appear to be nice on this car. Lots of times you get some pitting on these rear taillight bezels. They show a little bit of scuffing and age in the chrome, but not bad. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, not full of a bunch of nicks or dings or scratches. You may have a little, some tiny chips you can see there. A little touch up here. But overall, nice looking car. Stock door panels. Carpeting vinyl. Not full of rips or tears. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Starts easily. There's the alternator gauge works. Oil pressure gauge also. There's that aftermarket stereo I was talking about, an AC unit. Again, dash appears to be in nice shape. This is a little, kind of a door guard, little piece of tape on there, FYI, by the way. Just leave it on there to protect it. Doesn't open up into another door. Here's a 6-cylinder. Again, 200 cubic inch inline 6 under the hood, and that's the way the car would have came. I'm going to go ahead and pause this. Just pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay. Alright, here you go. Nice and tidy under here, and again, AC compressor turns on. AC blows cold. We do not have the AC on right now, so we will not hear the compressor turn on and off. I did have it working. Smooth runner. Sounds good. So there you have it. There you have it. Looking for a nice 68 Mustang Coupe. Good looks. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the listing of this car. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.